The ability of artificial intelligence to discover new antibiotics is nothing short of remarkable. Imagine a future where deadly bacterial infections become treatable once again, and where the threat of untreatable superbugs is a thing of the past. That future is closer than ever, thanks to the power of AI. And in today's video, we'll dive deep into how AI is changing the game in the fight against antibiotic resistance. But before we begin, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll be showing your support and ensuring that you never miss any of our exciting updates. In recent years, the world has witnessed a growing crisis of antibiotic resistance, commonly known as drug resistance. As bacteria evolve and adapt, they develop the ability to withstand the effects of antibiotics, rendering these life-saving drugs ineffective. This alarming trend poses a significant threat to global health security, jeopardizing our ability to treat common infections. Even simple surgeries or everyday ailments, like a urinary tract infection, can turn deadly in the era of antibiotic resistance. To tackle this pressing issue, researchers have been exploring various strategies to combat drug resistance and discover new antibiotics. Among these efforts, a groundbreaking development has emerged from MIT's Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence Laboratory, CSIL. Led by Professor Regina Barzilay, a team of scientists has harnessed the power of machine learning, a subset of artificial intelligence, to accelerate the identification of novel antibiotic candidates. This innovative approach holds immense promise for revolutionizing the way we discover life-saving drugs and combat drug resistance. To understand the significance of this breakthrough, let's delve into the traditional methods of antibiotic discovery. Historically, the process of discovering and developing new antibiotics has been lengthy, expensive, and laborious. It often involves screening thousands of chemical compounds to find those with antibacterial properties. Once a potential candidate is identified, extensive testing is required to determine its safety and efficacy. This conventional approach has resulted in a dwindling pipeline of new antibiotics, failing to keep pace with the rapid evolution of drug-resistant bacteria. Enter artificial intelligence and machine learning. These cutting-edge technologies offer a new paradigm in drug discovery by leveraging vast amounts of data and sophisticated algorithms. Machine learning models can analyze massive datasets, including information on chemical structures, biological pathways, and clinical trial results, to identify patterns and correlations that may not be apparent through traditional methods. In the context of antibiotic discovery, machine learning algorithms can sift through extensive libraries of chemical compounds, predict their antibacterial potential, and prioritize the most promising candidates for further investigation. This not only accelerates the drug discovery process, but also increases the likelihood of finding effective new antibiotics. At CSIL, Professor Regina Barzilay and her team have made significant strides in this field. Their research focuses on training machine learning models to recognize patterns in chemical data and predict the effectiveness of molecules against bacterial infections. One notable project involved training a deep learning model on a database of over 2,500 molecules, including 1,600 with known antibacterial properties. The model learned to identify key structural features associated with antibiotic activity. Subsequently, the researchers introduced a set of 6,000 molecules to the model, which successfully predicted the antibacterial properties of 70% of them without prior knowledge of their effects. Notably, the model accurately identified halicin as a potential antibiotic, even though it had not been previously classified as such. Halicin, originally synthesized in the 1960s, was known to exhibit anti-cancer properties. However, its potential as an antibiotic remained unknown until the CSIL team's AI-driven discovery. Further testing revealed that halicin displayed remarkable activity against drug-resistant strains of bacteria, including Acinetobacter, a highly dangerous pathogen that poses a significant threat to wounded soldiers and burn victims. The success of this project highlights the transformative potential of machine learning in antibiotic discovery. By harnessing the power of AI, researchers can expedite the identification of promising drug candidates, reduce the cost of development, and bring life-saving antibiotics to patients faster than ever before. However, it's important to acknowledge that this breakthrough technology is not without its challenges. One significant concern revolves around the availability and quality of training data. Machine learning algorithms are only as good as the data they are trained on. To ensure accurate and reliable predictions, it's crucial to have comprehensive, high-quality training datasets that encompass a wide range of molecules and their corresponding biological activities. Additionally, addressing issues related to data bias, noise, and missing values is essential to prevent erroneous predictions and ensure robust performance. Another challenge lies in the interpretability of AI-driven predictions. Many machine learning models operate as black boxes, making it difficult to understand the rationale behind their predictions. This lack of transparency can hinder the trust and acceptance of AI-generated insights, particularly in the highly regulated field of drug discovery. Overcoming this challenge requires the development of interpretable machine learning models that provide clear and understandable explanations for their predictions, thereby fostering trust among researchers and clinicians. Furthermore, ensuring the safety and efficacy of AI-designed drugs necessitates rigorous testing and regulatory approval processes. While AI can accelerate the identification of potential drug candidates, it cannot replace the need for comprehensive preclinical and clinical trials. Collaboration between AI developers, pharmaceutical companies, and regulatory agencies is crucial. Establish standardized protocols and ensure the safety of novel therapeutics. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of AI in drug discovery far outweigh the obstacles. The ability to rapidly identify new antibiotics and combat drug resistance holds tremendous promise for saving lives and improving global health outcomes. As technology continues to advance and more data becomes available, the power of AI in this field is only expected to grow. Researchers at MIT are not the only ones harnessing the power of AI to tackle the antibiotic crisis. Institutions like Harvard and McMaster University have launched similar initiatives to leverage AI-driven insights in the fight against drug resistance. These collaborative efforts are accelerating the pace of discovery and driving innovation in the field of antibiotic research. Looking ahead, the future of AI in antibiotic discovery is brimming with possibilities. Advancements in machine learning algorithms, coupled with the increasing availability of biological and clinical data, are poised to revolutionize the way we develop new drugs. AI-powered platforms are streamlining the drug discovery process, enabling researchers to identify promising candidates with greater speed and accuracy. Moreover, the integration of AI with other cutting-edge technologies such as high-throughput screening and synthetic biology holds immense potential for accelerating the development and production of life-saving antibiotics. It is an exciting time to be alive when we witness the incredible potential of artificial intelligence in revolutionizing various aspects of our lives. From healthcare to technology, we've seen how AI is changing the game in the fight against antibiotic resistance. Through the groundbreaking work of researchers at MIT and other institutions, we're gaining new tools to combat drug-resistant bacteria and save countless lives. The future of healthcare is undoubtedly intertwined with the advancements in AI, and we can look forward to a time when AI-driven innovations continue to improve our lives. However, as we embrace these advancements, It's essential to remain aware of the challenges and ethical considerations that accompany them, ensuring responsible development and deployment of AI. Protecting patient privacy and building trust in these technologies are crucial aspects that must be addressed. As we conclude this journey through the fascinating world of AI and antibiotics, we encourage you to stay curious and keep learning. The field of artificial intelligence is constantly evolving, and by staying informed, you can better understand the incredible advancements that shape our future. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of how AI is creating new antibiotics, reshaping the future of healthcare. If you found this video informative and please take a moment to show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Your engagement helps us continue to create informative content on the latest technological advancements. Stay curious and keep learning, because together we can navigate the ever-evolving world of technology and its impact on our lives. Until next time, explore, discover, and embrace the endless possibilities that lie ahead.